Okay, ever want to know how my site was made up? What it's made up of. Take the home page for example. Let's see. The control panel. The private messages. File manager. Want to know the coding? It's right here. Everything you need to know in the home.php. Div styles and div IDs made by me. Now that's the home. Next, we looked over the file manager, everything. Now we see 1.0, what it looks like in the home page. You probably saw in the home.php part. This. Let's go back to 2.0. Private messages. Here's where you send it, and here's where you delete it. And then the messages are as followed here. Want to know how it is? MSG folder. Every user has one. It's a directory that stores your email, mail, whatever. Files where you store the files, images, this doesn't matter. This is some important part of the control panel. MSG is where the email is stored. Email.php is here. Also written in PHP, made by me, entirely except for the message reader. Back to file manager here. Here's how I hide links. href equals the pound symbol. On click equals the style. Send a message. The div ID, made by me and whatever. It's visibility, hidden. Here is something that was made by me. All this by me. Form method equals post action equals blah 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 send.php. Form method equals post action equals http blah blah blah. Oh wait, I just read that. Anyway, enter your username, input type equals text, length equals 30, blah blah blah. Message text. Then the submit button. Submits it to the send.php. Form div br. Then the messages. dir name equals message folder. It shows all files within the folder, and the only files that can be stored are message files. So let's send a message to admin. Hi, hello people. Submit. And I'm still working on this, sort of. It's in beta form, but it works perfectly, sort of. Gets sent. You have to hit the back button. Refresh. Messages. Hi. Open. From admin. Message. Hello people. Then we're going to delete it. You just type in the name. Then it is gone. Refresh, make sure it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Back to File Manager. Here we are. Now, we've looked at all this. Okay. The logout. It is very simple, but I will not go into it. Password, I will not go into that. Upload. Now this is very easy to do. All you need is PHP and HTML. Pick a file, upload. You want to see it? Okay then. The PHP for upload. And this isn't the input and stuff, this is what comes after it. Okay. Now, we go into that, we go to Edit Files. The edit file thing. This is very easy. Well, not really. Some reason it isn't working perfectly, but I'm getting help on it as we speak. This is very short script, but it works sort of. My file, quest file name, opens the thing that you specify. String data is what you type in. F-write, string data, F-close, and then it's created. Now, deleting. Now this is the simplest script I have ever. Very simple. There it is. Delete.php. It was simple till I edited it last time, but it was basically just the unlink. But this is just if the file exists. If it exists, all I gotta do, unlink. Echo that it was done. But now I have to check if it's there. So if you type in the name, it's not there, it won't delete nothing. You must enter winter, the whole thing. Sign out, you just has the pound symbol and does a window.location to the sign out PHP script. You are now signed out. You are not logged in. Please log in here. And that's all there is to it. That's my whole site basically.